to download and install Stardew Valley on PC or laptop. In order to install and play Stardew Valley on PC or laptop, you have to first of all install Steam on your device. Open up a browser, type in steamspower.com, and that's going to take you to the official page. In my case, I happen to already install it and also create my account, so I'm just gonna instruct you. When you're on the official page, tap on install Steam from the top right hand side corner. When you do that, you have to go ahead and click on install Steam. As you do that, it's gonna open up the exe file, and then you have to go ahead and run the installation program. When you've completed that, then you're gonna go ahead and create your account, and when you're done creating your account, you go to stores. As soon as you click on stores, right on this page on the search box, you need to go ahead and type on the name of the game that you're looking for, that is Stardew Valley. When you locate the following game that you wish to download, go ahead and press on it, and here you have all of these information and click on add to cart. As soon as you click on add to cart, then click on view my cart, and it's going to take you to the summary page. Then go ahead and click continue to payment, and then you'll have to go ahead and provide in your payment details and all that, and you'll have successfully bought the game. After you bought the game, then you need to install it and you need to create your account as well, and you can explore the game. So in this way you can download and play Stardew Valley on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.